Hey y'all, it's Renee, your wealth coach. How are you? We're getting down to the last few days of leading to Christmas, and I hope that you're ready, you're excited, you're at peace, you have joy. I just want to come on here and just talk briefly about the cost of Christmas. I'm hosting Christmas this year at my house, and you got to buy gifts. As you can see, my tree's up. Gifts are under the tree. You gotta buy gifts. I was at the mall, and the mall was packed. I went to two different malls, and the malls were packed. But just the cost of going out buying food, and I'm sure there's always somebody you forget, so you got to have something extra under the tree if that's what you do. But at the end of the day, you're with family and friends, hopefully, and this is just my favorite holiday, so I don't mind going that extra mile. But just a reminder, you see, we have gift cards to give out. We got Starbucks, we have Amazon, and I have a Cheesecake Factory one. And just so you know, you can go and purchase a $50 gift card, and they give you a $15 gift card for free. So, that could be two gifts in one, two people in one. Or you could save it for yourself. You got to treat yourself as well at Christmas time. And so every day is a different thing. And unfortunately, I'm not doing it. My daughter's doing it. So pay attention and take advantage. Check out. I gotta get rid of these, gift cards. So. I'm not gonna be before you long. I just wanted to come on here and, even though Christmas could be very expensive, that at the end of the day, that it's well worth it. You don't have any regrets, and that you're able to stay within budget, so that you can still reach your financial goals. You can still enjoy Christmas. You can plan and prepare for Christmas. So if you missed that mark this year, you have next year as well. And so, don't beat yourself up. They still do Christmas clubs, starting in, January, February. You can go to your bank or credit union and open up a Christmas club and just put money in there every payday. And so around October, November, I think they release the funds back to you. And then you have the money, so you could have a stress-free Christmas. And so I'm going to say bye for now and see you on the next video.